Magna Genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh, man. There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Lingori, Yellum, Tobal, Ellie, Mora, Forum, Tokum, Cab, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
No! That's
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
I think I dig this kid. A real fucking head case.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
That slow, this one's a zombie hunter.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.
Piss off!
Oh, hell!
I'm punk rock zombie Zed! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
Wow, what happened here? Ready? Go!
I'm gonna rock your brains out! Literally!
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Lynette!
Amazing!
Oh,
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
that's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy.
Die! Die! Die!
Shit! Look out!
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
His voice is mega irritating.
How do you like the spotlight, Slag?
Yeah! don't have this one yet.
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god! Total waste of a Volvo!
Welcome to the big show!
Fuck! What a douchebag. Quit destroying shit for no reason.
My head's gonna explode!
Get out of my way!
Time to get hardcore! You zombie hunting slut!
Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass.
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his mohawk this morning. Needy much?
I'm gonna crush your face! I'm loving this shit! Your ass is mine! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Ooh!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever!
Welcome to Skullfuck Central! Whoa, whoa! Crush your face!
Nice Green Day button collection, asshole. Watch your mouth, dickweed.
Yeah! Fucking bitch! Take this!
Hot Topic sales reject. This guy's fast.
Take this, whore!
Almost there. That was hot.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little.
Your mohawk looks like a rooster thingamabob.
Your pain is my art. I think you picked your pants. Ow!
speakers!
Eat my mohawk! Ow! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Mama! Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag! I'm all about DIY! Homicide! Oi! Never mind the bollocks! He's your shit!
Speakers!
I think you pissed your pants! Ow! Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag! Eat my mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut! Your pain is mine! I'm gonna crush your fucking face! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die!
Smash that speaker stand!
Your pain is mine! Eat my mohawk, you dirty slut!
Fuck! Speakers!
Not DIY! Homicide! I'm loving this shit! I'm gonna DIY! Homicide! Your pain!
Fuck! Speakers!
Your pain is my art! Eat my mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut! I think you pissed your pants!
Smash that speaker stand!
Oh, bitch! I can't wait to see you! Ow! I'm gonna crush your heart! Ow! Eat my mohawk, you dirty slut! Your face! Fuck! Bring it on!
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker!
Join me on stage for a death jam! Your